The first step is to connect the power cord, and open the glass panel cover. Step 2. Turn on the switching power supply. Finally, let the host enter the state of electrical switch coding. Press the black button of the switch, accompany with a flash of red and blue light, and immediately touch the switch light button to confirm. When the code is set and exits the current state, the mobile phone will receive a notification of host programming changes. Let's take a look at the effect of the code that has been successfully applied.